Good day, everyone. Welcome to third day of our second week. So for this session, we are expected to present rational function through its equation, table of values, and graphs. We have we have here an example from our module. So an average speed of velocity can be computed by the formulas S equals to d over t. Consider a 100-meter track used for foot races. The speed of the runner can be computed by taking the time for him to run the track, applying the formula S equals 100 over t. Since the distance is fixed at 100 meters, represent the speed of the runner as a function of the time it takes to run 100 meters in the track. So we are expected, for this part, we are expected to create function from the problem. Okay, so we need to make a function of the time it takes to run 100 meters in a track. So we're going to create a formula for this pattern. So for that, let x represent the time it takes to run 100 meters. Okay, so we are going to present x to represent the time of the runner. So simply substitute t with x. We are going to substitute t with x, then present it as a function. Okay, we have it here. We have it here. Okay, s of x equals to 100 over x. So this is our first presentation of a function. Okay, tara. So mao ni ang atong pag-present sa function. Simply substitute t. So in presenting a function, dili ni siya permi nga substitute lang. Okay, it depends on the problem. It's because every problem has condition and it might require different formulas. Okay, next is we are instructed to construct a table of values to represent the speed or the s of x of the runner in meters per second for run times from 10 to 20 seconds. So given man si time na 10 to 20 seconds, but if in case dili siya given, mo-assume jud ta nga na time kay we cannot get the value of the speed if we can't assume the time. So for this problem, for this formula, s of x equals to 100 over x. Okay, so we have to assume for the value of x, which is the time. So I have here my assumption kay ni-request man siya nga 10 to 20 seconds. So I have here my assumption from 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 14 seconds, 16, 18, and 20 seconds. So to fill in the table, so we have to substitute x to substitute these values to x. So for this one, 100 over 10, that is 10. So meaning the speed here is 10 meters per second. Okay, if the time is 12, therefore that is 8.33. And then for time is 14, 7.14, 16, that is 6.25. For time of 18, that is 5.56, and for time of 20, that is 5. So klaro kayo, simply substitute your assumed value of x, then you can have our table. So the first one was presented by equation, then this one we have presented this by table of values. Okay, for this one we are tasked to create a graph of the function that we have created. So I have here a graph. So we have here this is the y-axis, and this is our x-axis. So simply plot the graph, then connect it. So we have it here from, if the value of x is 10, okay, then the value of s of x is 10. So y is our Okay, S of x. Okay, so if the value of 10, if the time is 10, so therefore the speed is 10. If the time is 12, that is 8.33, 14, 7.14, 16, 6.25, 18, 5.56, and 20, that is 5. So we have our points, then just interconnect it to form the graph. That's it. Thank you for watching this short presentation for our third day, second week. So I hope you learned about our objective for this day, and you may contact me for queries and clarification. Thank you.